Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we will be doing a part 2 on my fitment issues for my S2000. I actually took a turn, tried to drift it a while ago, the other day I should say. When I caught grip, I heard something like move and I had a feeling it was my headlight, and sure enough it was. So yeah, there's that. It just like completely just came out of place. So yeah, that's the plan for today, is gonna try and fix that. So I'm not gonna show exactly how I take off the bumper. Cool, the bumper's off. I can show you guys exactly what was holding the headlight up. So the only thing holding up my headlight was this screw right here. Yeah, that's it. I know there was another bolt right here to hold the headlight down. This one has it, the other side doesn't. I'm guessing when I wrecked it, broke off, but I'll try my best again to get it aligned there properly. Okay, so as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 holes. I don't know why they're there. It looks like somebody previously purposely drilled them there. Yeah, that's what's holding my headlight in place, just so you guys can see. A little ghetto rig, but you know, as long as it works, then it works. So my only problem I'm having right now is having support for the top, because the bottom's fine, but once I do that, it just caves in. So all right, well that didn't work. I'm gonna try and take this piece off and see if this is bent in any way and try and bend it back. Also, I'll try and see if I can make a little support for the rear, or for the top and the back. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so we took this off and I can see it bent right here. Not sure if I bend it back if it'll make a difference. Running out of options, I'm gonna give it a shot. So instead of me trying to bend this, I feel like I'm gonna bend it too much and misalign something, so I'm just gonna leave that as that. I did find 2 extra screws that I'm just gonna insert right here or wherever they hold better, and see if that will hold the bottom support. I'm thinking about drilling a hole right here. This is the bottom part of the headlight, as you can see. Yeah, drilling a hole right here so I can zip tie it up to either one of these holes and just have like a nice support holding it up. So yeah, that's the plan that I have in mind, and we're gonna try it, see if it works. Boom! Now the hard part will be actually zipping the zip tie through the hole while putting the headlight in there, because I only have like so much room to work with, but I'll try my best. All right, well, I got it zip tied on there with a pain in the ass. Hopefully that works. So as you can see right here, it's bent. I'm gonna go bend it back real quick because my bumper doesn't fit in right there, and I've noticed it before. All right, so I tried bending it as much as I could. I didn't end up messing it up, but I think I fixed it. All right, cool. I think I made it work. Now I'm just gonna screw everything back in, zip tie everything down, and hopefully we don't have any more problems after that. Cool. All right, now that this piece is bolted in, I'm going to align my headlight for the 50th time. Here. All right, well, this is taking too much time. I'll be back. Good, bro? Yeah. There you go. All right, cool, cool. All right, cool. I got the headlight in there, I got the screws in there. Hopefully that zip tie that I threw in there really helps, because if it doesn't, then wow, because that was just a pain in my butt. all that zip tie really did do something. I mean, so far so good. I just have a feeling when I put the bumper on it, it's not gonna look the same, but about to find out, so. All right, well, I put the bumper back on. The headlight is not wobbly anymore, so that's good. I can actually drive it around. I tried to, again, align it as best as I could since I had to take everything off again. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. Like I said, the accident really messed something up. I don't think I'll ever be able to, me personally, I don't think I'll be able to match up the lines again. But yeah, this side's on point. Well, that's gonna be all for today's video. I wasn't planning on putting this on camera or anything because it's just a simple fix in my opinion, but I figured why not, I'll share it with you guys as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be installing a brand new to me power steering pump on my Subaru because my old one is starting to go out and it's making this really annoying noise every time I turn it on. So stay tuned for that. See you guys next time.